Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. Today's video, I'm kind of bummed. I went to use my microwave yesterday and out of the blue, the thing started popping and there was like a flame inside of it. So this is my old microwave. So I'm going to have to get rid of that. I did purchase a new one today. What I got is... it's called a Galanz microwave and air fryer. It has enhanced air fry technology, true convection oven, auto cook and auto reheat. There's an air fry kit, baking and roasting pan, and a removable 10 3/4 glass turntable. I don't know how this is going to be, but I got it just last minute. So I will be back and we can do an unboxing. Okay, I am ready to do an unboxing. Let's see how this goes. I have a knife here. Hopefully it's at least decent. It has styrofoam. It's packaged very well. Very heavy, thick styrofoam on top. Then there's plastic over it. It is also wrapped in paper. It's like I'm opening a Christmas gift. Alright, let me get that paper. Hopefully I could get this out by myself. We'll see what happens. Alright. Let's see. You know what? I may have to put it on its side. I will do it this way. Whoops. It's pretty heavy. It's a lot heavier than my other one. My old one. Alright, I'm sliding it out. Okay. I will put it on my counter and I will be back to show you more. Okay, I moved it to my countertop for now. It's going to go on my baker's rack where my other one was. This is what it looks like. I have to get rid of this. I'm hoping it is worth the money. I'm going to open the inside. I just pop that button right here and it opens. Oh, it looks like there's some goodies in there. So I will pull this out. And I put it on top of the microwave. I'm going to grab my scissors. Be right back. Okay, I opened the packaging that was inside the microwave. It comes with an air fryer pan, which is pretty cool. Let's see this part. There we go. It sits on top of that. It also has the microwave pan and also the glass plate that normally comes with the microwaves. There we go. And then the ring that it sits on. So this is exciting, even though I didn't have the money to spend, but you know, I use a microwave a lot. I'm by myself, and you know, when I have leftovers, I use it to heat food. But this is what the inside looks like. You press the button down here. And that is the inside. Very nice. It has all these settings. It has bake, roast, air fry, microwave, convection, microwave and convection, auto cook, popcorn, auto reheat. You can add 5 minutes, a defrost. You can add 1 minute. It's got a clock and a timer, an additional 30-second button, and start, stop, and cancel. I still have to figure out how to use it. So I will put it where my old one was, and I'll be back. Okay, I am back. I have the new one set up. It is on my baker's rack, right next to my coffee pot. Perfect. I just put the glass dish inside. As you can see, it's a nice size. Good enough for me. I need to use it. Once I use it, I will do another video. I still have to read the directions. It came with a booklet that I can use. I have to read up on it. And this microwave / air fryer was $99. With tax, it came to like $105 and change. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you next time.